Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got Mr. Hulk here who wants to cause some mayhem. Today he wants to destroy these villagers and all the houses, and it looks like there's going to be a bit of destruction. So if you guys want to help me out, then hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so of course Hulks want to destroy the whole thing, all the villagers and the village houses and the pigs stuck in the wall. But I mean, we kind of want to stop him and we kind of don't want to stop him because of course we like destruction. Everyone does. So we're going to go ahead, and we've got this turret here which we can use, as you can see, and let's try and just take some Hulk down. Let's aim for his arms first. Take him out, and oh gosh, we took quite a bit of him out. Just need a bit more until his first arm is gone. So yeah, is it gone? Oh, he's so close. Take him down. Once and for all, Hulk arm is gone. Now for the other one. Oh, that's not his arm, that's his face. Sorry, Hulk. Let's get him then. And take him down. Let's see. Gone? Almost gone. I'm really bad at it. I'm on the right spot. Is it gone? It's gone. We've destroyed his arms and also destroyed a bit of his face.
Ho ho ho!
Sorry, Hulk. But both of his arms are gone. And how about we drive a vehicle into Hulk? So let's take this here, and oh, we can move this. So this could actually be pretty helpful. Let's aim for him. Oh, we're driving up Hulk. Ah, no. We almost hit the village house. We didn't do much damage to Hulk. He is pretty strong, as we all know. He is the Incredible Hulk. Okay, let's see what else is there to destroy Hulk. What is this thing? Is this even what? I mean, we'll use it. Whatever it is, it looks pretty insane. Oh gosh, almost destroyed the turret. Go round the turret, because that could be helpful. Does it shoot? Oh gosh, it's got a laser. What is this thing? Oh my god, what is that? I completely just took down Hulk with that. It's got explosives on the back of it. And other stuff as well. I mean, that's pretty insane. Overpowered. Now, is there anything else? Let's see. Is there any strong vehicles we can use to take him down? Maybe we can't do that. Anyway, let's get back to destructing with this big crane. I mean, we can also use this. So let's try and probably, oopsies. Nope, there goes my driving license. Let's go and aim for him in the head, maybe. Oh no! Okay, so we're still driving. We don't care. Going through the bomb. What we to do? Anyway, Hulk, hopefully he's almost down. I mean, maybe we need to just use an unstoppable tank to do this. Okay, I'm going to shoot the tank's turret as I go. Let's see. Shoot. Oh no, I destroyed it. Ah! Well, the tank just completely flew. And it's gone. How about I try that again? Okay, hopefully this time is a bit more successful than that time, because last time wasn't great. Destroy him! Come on, we surely took him down. Surely he's gone. Huh? Is he gone? No, he's still there. Huh? Well, he's almost gone for sure. Oh, where we need to use strong vehicles. What is this? Hold on a minute. There's a truck with literal rockets on. I think we kind of have to use this. I mean, this surely has to take a big thing. Oh gosh! Wrong button. No! That didn't go great. I think we just need a couple more vehicles. So, I disappeared. Never mind. How about I use? We probably need tanks to do it. Tanks will do the job, not military trucks. They probably won't do the job. Let's spawn a tank in then. Get this one in. And come on. We have to defeat Hall. Surely he can't be that hard. We need to aim low. We need to aim low at this bit so it should take the top of him down. Let's see if we can do it with this truck. So we probably don't need the most speed. Just need to aim here like that. Yes, that's good. That is good. No, don't hit the villager's house. Oh, okay. Okay, we took that one down. Now all we need to do is take the legs down, which I'm not sure how we're gonna do. I'd probably say Hawk is down. Let's have one more vehicle. See if we can do anything else. We need to go low again. There's not much of Hawk left. I mean, I think we just about this. Okay, no, too fast. How about we do it ourselves? We knock him down ourselves with a turret. Should we get the turret again? Let's see if we can take the rest of Hawk down. We might need to... Can we still get him from here? I don't think we can get him. That took a bit of him down. Let's just say we took him down, because technically we did. Oh! We took quite a bit of him down. And... yeah, I think that's most of him took down. Now... village houses. So we've got some friendly villagers. This one looks like he might fall over soon. So you know, he's not having the best of days, but he's okay, aren't you? Oh, listen to, oops. Now he's broke his neck. Now he's a skeleton. Oh, and now he's nothing. Anyway, and how about this? I think the other villager fell off, but yeah. Oh, oopsies. Where's he gone? Yeah, he rest in peace, villager. He fell off. Here he is. Poor villager. Anyway, our aim is, I guess, to destroy the village house. So how about we destroy part of it with the cow? Because cows, everyone knows, are super strong. Oh, there's a pickup route as well. Maybe they're not strong. Yeah, how about we use something else, like a car? Oh, I'm lost again. There we go. Let's use this weird thing, whatever this is, and let's drive it through. Drive it through this vehicle. Ha! House. Oopsies. No, stay. It's magic. Let's put it back in place. Move it down. There we go. Let's try that again, because... oh, gosh, this is wrong. What is that thing on the side? It's about to hit the floor. Oh, gosh, I've never tried some of these vehicles before. Take it down! Take... oh, when it go down. Take it... what? So... I guess we took it down. That's gone. Now we've got one more house left, and oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, villager, for you. You just like your car almost fell off, and now it has fell off. Come on, Mr. Villager, let's help me destroy this house. And there's a pig in the roof. Yeah, but no, you like pigs in the roof. And oh gosh, this is okay. Oh well, what? How did that happen? I guess that's how you destroy a Minecraft village house. And that is also the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.